In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up team access to ChatGPT in a safe and organized way. If you're introducing ChatGPT to a team or an organization, the goal is not just to give people access. It's to make sure the right people can use it in the right way with the right level of visibility and control. A little planning at the beginning can save a lot of confusion later. Start by deciding who actually needs access to ChatGPT. Not every person in a company will use it in the same way. Some people may need it every day for writing, research, brainstorming, or support tasks, while others may only need occasional access. Being clear about who needs it helps you avoid unnecessary accounts and keeps things easier to manage. Next, if a workspace, team account, or business setup is available, use that instead of having everyone work from separate personal accounts. A shared business environment usually makes collaboration easier and gives you better control over administration, billing, access, and security settings. It also creates a more consistent experience across the team. Once that's ready, invite the correct users. Make sure only the people who should be part of the workspace are added. This is a simple step, but it matters because clean user management helps prevent mix-ups and keeps the environment organized from the start. After inviting users, set permissions based on what each person should access. Some users may only need basic usage rights, while others may need administrative control or access to shared resources. Try to match permissions to actual responsibilities. Giving everyone full access may seem convenient, but it usually creates more risk and less clarity. It's also important to separate private work from shared teamwork. Team members should know what belongs in personal conversations or individual projects, and what should go into shared spaces for collaboration. This makes it easier to find useful work later and helps avoid accidental exposure of internal material. From there, create shared guidelines for how the team should use ChatGPT. Keep the guidance practical and easy to follow. For example, define the kinds of tasks it can help with, how outputs should be reviewed, and when human judgment is still required. Clear expectations lead to better and more consistent results. You should also avoid sharing sensitive information unless the account settings allow it safely. Before entering confidential business data, always make sure your setup supports the level of privacy and protection your organization requires. Finally, review user access regularly. Teams change, roles shift, and people join or leave. A quick access review every so often helps keep your setup secure, current, and aligned with how your team actually works.